Hello guys, so today it's a new vlog, and today's vlog guys, we have this new Godox trigger guys. Yes, it's been a month since I'm waiting for this Godox trigger, the new trigger from Godox. And now we have a piece here in AV World. So if you want to check the price and availability, just come visit us here in AV World. Yes. And if you want to check again in online, we have the website www.abworld.com. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox and check the quality and the settings and the menu of the new Godox X3 trigger. Ayan guys. So guys, let's unbox. But again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's unbox now guys. It's very simple and yeah, small box, nothing fancy. But here at the back, it's written Chinese, so I don't know. It's like there's a icon. It's touchscreen, wireless connection, 2.5 gigahertz. What is this? Fun? Link, Lux Master. So I think it's compatible direct to the Lux Master, and you have, I don't know, what is this? A bag? Let's see. Okay, that's a box. So this trigger guys comes with, I think, for Sony, Canon, and I think from Nikon. But what we have here now is for Canon. So yeah, it's very small and tiny guys. And you have here the manuals from down. Yeah, manuals, and you have accessories on the other side. For sure, this is the charging USB to USB-C. So USB and USB-C. So 2024 USB-C is very important now. All device USB-C. Okay. So this is the box. Let's check the cute bag pouch of this. And you can put in your pocket. And yeah, the design is nice. And this is the Godox X3. C, it's for Canon. For sure, S, Sony, either Nikon, Fuji. Yeah. I don't know if they have a Leica, but I think there's a Leica. So, ayan guys, let's open. Again, quick here. This is a touch screen, and you have already 3 buttons here. This is switch buttons, and yeah, knob is a knob. Yeah, small knobs. You have power on buttons, and I think this is the test button. And here you have your charging USB-C, push button to release from hot shoe mount, of course. And this is a TTL, that's why. So let's try to open, and voila, you will see Godox. And this is the menu guys. So yeah, about the menu. Okay, let's go with the menu function, and you can get with the settings here on this right, and in the left you have multi. So you get typical settings from the old X Pro series type. So wow, it's nice guys, it's amazing. Look, I like this. Then go for the settings. Then you have the wireless, shoot, trigger disc, TCM, or time control maybe, I'm not sure. So screen, so you can make full screen, or I mean the brightness from the screen. Reset button, device info, language. You can check your language, but only 2 language here. English and Chinese. Chinese ba? Chinese, right? Or Japanese. You have the zoom. What zoom? Okay. So before it's typical 24 to 105. Now you can select upon 24 to 200 or this one. So I put in auto. You have a step. What is the step? Oh, the power from 128, 512, 1:1. So depends on your power. Minimum power. So the minimum power is 1:502, 512, sorry. And 128. So depends on your style of shoot. Okay. So auto off. Yeah, auto off. In 30 minutes, 60 minutes. If you are not using the trigger, it will auto off to save battery. And I will save to save the battery. Sync. You have high speed sync. If you want to shoot more than 250 shutter speed, you have already high speed sync. Rear curtain and front curtain. Okay, here from wireless connection, You can select the channel and the ID. So ID either 1, 2, 3. Depends on your set. Channel 1, 2 until channel 32. So yan. It's more easy access. You can scan, wireless sync. Regarding for the group, yeah, you have the group A. You can easy turn on and off the group A, group C. This is amazing device, guys. It's very simple and easy to use. If you don't want to use all of the group, you can off and you can use only one group. The power also already here. Time, even you have timer, something. So, and it's very easy and very, again, easy to use. For the modes, see, can home, see, we have channel A. It's very simple and easy to use. So, and guys, this is a quick unboxing. So, in the next vlog, we will try to use this trigger to the Godox lights. So, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Godox X3, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So, yan, hanggang dito lang, guys. Thank you and mabuhay.